Hi, I am Sanjeev Joshi, founder of Urban Sketches Pune.
मी मयुरेश शिरोळकर, a part of Urban Sketches Pune.
I'm Ashok Panwalkar. I'm a product designer and urban sketcher.
I guess Mallar Machi is a great place to have a little relaxation on weekend if you're into IT job and really bored and want to get out of the hustle and bustle of Pune.
खूप सुंदर आहे मल्हार माची.
मल्हार माचीचा आजचा एक्सपिरियन्स फार सुंदर होता. खूपच मस्त प्लेस आहे. And it was really a great pleasure to come here and sketch the premises of Mallar Machi.
आज इथे येऊन म्हणजे it reminded me of Phuket with the scenery, with the background, with the foliage and the water. Amazing.
And you know, they have this music all around us and it's so peaceful. If not music, you can hear the voice of nature and you can experience the nature in its own way.
I'm associated almost all design colleges in Pune. So definitely I look around and I thought that this is such a wonderful place full of nature and a pleasant morning today. Good food, music, the fellow was going around and really entertaining us.
Nature-wise, it is so beautiful. Food-wise, it is delicious food. Ambience is excellent. Hospitality is too good. Everything is just fantastic. The landscape, the terrain, the food, the music in the background, the bird chirping.
Comparable to any resort in the world, any 5-star resort in the world.
It's fun. I think everyone should, on weekend, you should plan to come here.
खूप मजा आली करायला स्केचिंग. परत यायला नक्की आवडेल.
Today we will live with very positive note and all our batteries are fully charged.
We will definitely plan to visit again and have more sketching experiences. Thank you so much. So we had a wonderful time and we all enjoyed being here. So all the best to Mallar Machi.
It's a great place and yeah, thanks.
Thank you for having us here.
So thank you very much.